This video will show you how to use the bulk action feature to add contacts to a campaign. Navigate to the Contacts section of your system and select the desired contacts using the checkbox. Click the robot head-looking icon to add contacts to a campaign. In the pop-up window, select the desired campaign and then choose the scheduling option. You can click Add All at Once, Add at a scheduled time, which will add all the contacts at once but in a future date and time, or Add in drip mode to process the contacts using certain days of the week, certain windows of time, and certain batches of contacts at once that you can completely customize.